2025 is almost here, and if you've been thinking about starting a business, this is the moment to pay attention. Experts predict the global digital economy will exceed $25 trillion in 2025, with millions of people leaving their traditional job to work online. The best business to start is not just about trends, it's about flexibility, it's about sustainability, and of course, results. In this video, I'll break down the type of business that can set you up for financial freedom, more time with your family, and a future that you can be excited about. By the end of this video, you will know the exact type of online business to start in 2025, why it's booming globally, and how you can start earning without experience and as a complete beginner. I started my online business with no experience and with a lot of doubt. I ended up making over 2.4 million by working a couple of hours a day. Now I'm sharing this blueprint with other people so that you can have your own success story. Comment 2025 business below if you are ready to build a sustainable business in 2025. And I'll send you my free guide to get started. The digital economy is booming. So you want to start with promoting a digital product, preferably a product that solves a problem. So unlike traditional businesses, you're not just going to solve that problem locally, but you can actually scale your business globally. The future isn't just digital, it is now. And those that start now will reap the rewards. Digital products give you the ability to earn 100% profit. So it's not like selling a physical product that you have to keep stock of, inventory, and you have to pay staff and you have to pay shipping costs. A digital products like ebooks or courses teaches someone skills and you can actually sell it on autopilot. A digital product is created once and you can actually sell it over and over and over again because you can update it because it's digital. So if you want to earn money in your sleep, put ready in the comments and let me get you that guide and share with you how you can get started today. Automation is changing the game. You want to automate your business in 2025. Think about the favorite products that you order online. When last have you purchased online? Maybe from Shein or Takealot. When you order, do you get on the phone with anyone? No, there's an automation process happening automatically. You immediately get an email and you get updated on where your stock is. Unlike a physical product, you will sell a digital product, meaning that your customer will have immediate access to their program. So if you automate your business, you can run it on autopilot 24/7. It never sleeps. 85% of people avoid the online space because they don't want to be salesy. What I love about promoting a digital product is you don't have to go and recruit. You don't have to go and look for customers. If you know to follow a discovery method, you can use social media, which is a free tool, to attract customers to you. You just need to show up consistently on social media and keep on telling people about the solution that you offer. When you do that, you drive traffic to your automated system that takes care of the rest. I know, so good, right? The longer you wait, the further behind you will fall in this rapid going industry. So with 2 hours a day, you can focus on income earning activities that will make sure that your business runs on autopilot 24/7. What do I mean when I say that? In 2 hours a day, you need to show up on social media constantly, letting people know about the solution that you offer. You need to respond to people that want more information, and you need to drive traffic to your automated system. Your automated system will take care of the rest and do the selling and the relationship building with your customer. But don't just leave it all up to automation. Check and respond to people that have valid questions. Starting an online business in 2025 is not just an option. It is one of the smartest moves you can make. With a growing digital economy, limitless profit potential, and automation tools that simplify everything, this is your chance to create a life of freedom and flexibility. Click the link below to start building that life of freedom for yourself. The world is changing fast and the opportunities in the digital space is growing by the day. The best business to start in 2025 is not just about trends, it's about flexibility and sustainability. And of course, you want those results. So whether you're a busy parent or you're tired of the 9 to 5 or just simply ready for a change, the time to start is now. Grab the link below. Let's get you on the right path.